Why does your scanner show the P1123 engine code? What does it mean? P1123 is a diagnostic trouble code for throttle position, sensor circuit intermittent high voltage. It indicates that the PCM detects an abnormally high signal voltage from the electronically controlled throttle actuator. Under this circumstance, stop driving and repair your vehicle immediately. So, what causes this imbalance? Here are the most common culprits. This code is caused by these possible faults in your car. Faulty mass airflow sensor. Malfunctioning throttle position sensor. Vacuum leaks. Clogged air filter. Fuel system issues. Oxygen sensor problems. Dirty or faulty idle air control valve. Exhaust system issues. Wiring or connection issues. ECU problems. Each DTC code corresponds to a specific issue in your vehicle. This error occurs in OBD2 equipped vehicles, especially those manufactured since 1996. It is commonly found in Ford, Mazda, Chevrolet, Nissan, Honda, Toyota, and Hyundai. If you want to fix this error code, let us know in the comments section. We will definitely make the video on your demand. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.